details new exhaust sounds with beautiful classic motorcycle in Japan. All new Honda GB350, GB350S, and GB350 Cafe Racer 2023 model announcement. The new Honda GB350 and a vehicle equipped with accessories will be exhibited at the Osaka Motorcycle Show venue. Although it was before the official announcement, and how it was changed before the actual motorcycle, optional parts such as a bikini cowl and a single seat cowl will also be shown. And it seems that customization will progress further, so this make this motorcycle more interested. In addition, new Honda GB350 model also, the seats have also been slightly modified. The STD features a brown-colored seat, but the surface has changed from the conventional textured leather to a plain leather texture. In addition, and the S has changed the stitching of the seat belt. The vertical stripes on the side covers have disappeared, and the graphic of the motorcycle name S has become simpler. For the small tail is cool with the Cafe Racer style. The slim single seat cowl is not placed on the double seat Japanese specification GB350, but is a type that uses the front as a solo seat and removes the rear seat. It is a part that assumes the Indian specification Highness CB350 with separate front and rear seats as standard, so for the small tail seat is very good looking and beautiful. I think you will enjoy for this change, especially tail seat for Cafe Racer style, and all complete with accessories available with GB350 Cafe 2023 that just appearance in Japan Motor Show 2023. Okay, if you satisfied for this model, so please like and share my video to your friend to make them know also. If you have anything or want to know about new model just announce, new arrival, price specification also, please comment below. Thanks for watching.